Aiden Moffat. We're down here playing a bit of car football.
He's scary and he's a pro driver. And I'm a football player. And we're basically here to see what one's going to come out on top. Right, all the best. Good luck to you. He's dead to me. Don't worry about that. Excited? Are you sure? Of course I am. I've got a crash helmet on the car that I can smash up. Let's go. Guys, seriously, get yourself down here. A load of fun.
And this is just a taster of what you can see.
Honestly, I loved it. Even though I lost, it ain't always about the win. You got to take part to get yourselves down here. I might even be at. See you later.